Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Ruby, and we're the owners of Love & Co. Candles based in Palm Springs, California.
We make lifestyle videos of the behind the scenes of our candle business and entrepreneurship.
Today we're going to be preparing for a market that we're going to do soon, and we're going to show you some of the things that we want to bring along with us. In a previous video, you may have seen that we picked up some signs that we plan on customizing for the craft fair, but we also thought it would be fun to bring along some additional items outside of just the candles and wax melts and room sprays that we plan on bringing.
We started with the idea of using branded tote bags for our gift bags when people purchase from us at our markets, and we thought it would be a good idea to have additional branded merchandise for you guys to purchase as well.
We wanted to find items that would match our brand colors and also be something that people actually want to use. We landed on t-shirts, hoodies, the tote bags that will be our gift bags, keychains, water bottles, and some drink koozies for this first show.
We also plan to bring these items to our website because we know that not everyone will be able to make it to our markets.
Now, this isn't a tutorial because we really haven't mastered using the Cricut machine, but we are going to use that today and customize some of the items that we plan on bringing with us. I'll also be utilizing my Glowforge, which is a laser cutting machine to engrave on the keychains. The first thing that we're going to make is the tote bags that we're going to use for gift bags. We're going to put our logo across the front of the bag. We want to measure the distance from side to side and then determine what size we want the logo to be. And I think it would be a good length for the logo to go across the bag and still be seen. I'm going to use the iron-on, it's Sport Flex, so that it can move with the bag, and it's a permanent iron-on. We're just going to cut off the section that we need to complete the one bag. We're going to do them in a big batch, but we just want to show you how we're going to complete this one. When you're doing iron-on material, you want to make sure that the shiny side is down on the matte Cricut. Just want to make sure that this stays down because this mat needs a little more stickiness to it. We'll just take the corners for the sections that are kind of lifted. The first thing we want to do is make sure that the Cricut is on the iron-on setting because we're going to use iron-on material. So now we have the project loaded on the Cricut software. We're going to load the mat into the machine. Now we can unload the mat from the Cricut. Move this so we can start the weeding process. So these are weeding tools. What it is you take off the reverse of the print that you just cut out. Our logo is here. We're going to remove everything outside of that. I'm going to take the sharp end of this. I'm just going to remove everything that's not what you're trying to keep. And you just want to be careful that you're not pulling off any of the letters that you. Now we're gonna let that cool. Our vinyl's cool now, so we should be able to do a peel. And everything should stay exactly where it's supposed to. Ooh, how satisfying. Check, and now that didn't take any time at all. And now we have a bag with our logo on it to hand out to customers when they purchase a candle. Now when they walk around the show, they'll walk around with our logo showing. So we have some transfers that we had made of our logo. This is what we're going to use to personalize the water bottles. We're going to do monochrome, so it'll be black on black, and then we'll do the beige with the beige logo. It will stand out a little bit just because the color matches as close as we can get it. Plus it's a gloss and the bottles are matte. Expose the adhesive. And these bottles have a small rim around the bottom that fits the logo perfectly. I'm going to start with the black bottle. Now we'll use the burnishing tool and make sure that all of the label is tucked in. These bottles are not microwave safe, they are stainless steel, and they are hand wash only.
Here we are engraving our logo into the keychains using our Glowforge. If you're unfamiliar with a Glowforge, it is a 3D laser printer that can cut, engrave, and score different types of materials. These keychains are like a hard plastic, so it only took a few minutes for the Glowforge to engrave them, and here's how they came out. At the beginning of the video, you might have noticed this sign that we picked up at our local craft store. Here in Canva, I am basically just making a mock-up of what I want to put on that sign to customize it for our booth. I decided for this sign that I wanted it to be all of the QR codes for our social media, so that's what I'm doing now. We didn't get a chance to actually finish the sign for this video, but I wanted to still show you guys what we intend on using it for, so stick around for a future video where we actually get to finish it. I know this may look like a lot of links, but I do plan on turning them all into one QR code that you can scan to take you to all of our social media to make it easier on people. I just haven't had a chance to do that yet. Alright guys, that's everything that we have for you today. Please leave us a comment down below telling us what your favorite item was. We'd love to get your feedback and see what everyone is interested in. And if you're interested in any of the products that we used, we will try to have them linked down below for you. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this video.
If you like this video and you want to see more like it, we'll have some linked.
We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye, guys.